Hello everyone, welcome to Minutes with SG. Today, we're going to share with you our own spicy pork rib recipe with homemade pickle. If you want to know how to cook delicious pork rib and how to make easy homemade pickle, please stay tuned to this video until the end. Here's our recipe. We use 400 grams of the pork ribs, and you can use less or more amount than this depending on the number of people who will eat. Please wash the pork rib and make sure that it's well cleaned. After being done with cleaning the meat, we choose to boil it with lemongrass, garlic and salt to flavor the pork ribs and to make it well cooked before we proceed to another step of cooking. To make our spicy pork ribs more unique and incredibly tasty, we've chosen the following ingredients for our spicy spare rib wrap. Use 3 tablespoons of tomato sauce, 3 whole dried red chili peppers, 1 tablespoon of chili sauce, half tablespoon of turmeric, 5 cloves of minced garlic, 1 tablespoon of butter, and 1 tablespoon of black pepper powder. Then, we add half tablespoon of sugar, half tablespoon of seasoning powder, and half tablespoon of fish sauce to complete the flavor. After marination, please leave it for 15 minutes and let's prepare the vegetables for pickling. It is called mixed vegetable pickle as it is made of a variety of vegetables. Since white radish and ginger have the same strong flavor, we can mix them together. We need to add salt to them to draw the strong flavor out. After that, please leave it for 10 minutes. Now let's prepare the carrots and cucumbers. Please slice them thinly for effective absorption of pickling flavor. Here we also use red onions, garlic and red chili peppers to make the pickle taste better. After that, we need to rinse the ginger and white radish to minimize the salty taste. After the preparation of vegetables is done, now let's add in our pickling ingredients. 3 whole limes, half tablespoon of sugar, half tablespoon of seasoning powder, half tablespoon of salt, and 3 fresh red chili peppers. Mix them all together and store it in the fridge. Now let's go back to our flavored spicy spare rib and let's start cooking. To avoid ruining the flavor, please cook it over medium-low heat.